Happy New Year, penny pinchers, and welcome back to my channel. I hope your new year is off to a great start. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Chelomie, and today I'm coming to you with a really quick video just showing you how I've refreshed my living room area after the Christmas holidays. Okay guys, so this is what my living room looks like now from the hallway. And if you follow me on Instagram, I have already shared some of these images. So go on over there and follow me on Instagram. Same name, the Glamorous Penny Pincher. Let's go over and take a look at the coffee table. Guys, from my Christmas decor, I brought over some of those items into this space. You know that I did a black and gold tree, a memory tree, and I also had my family room decorated in black and gold. So I just used some of the items because for the rest of this winter, this is what my color scheme is going to be: black, white, and gold. For this look, I went ahead and kept my tray, and guys, you know how much I love this tray. I used it all of last year, 2020, and I might do the same thing again. So please forgive me if you get tired of seeing this tray, but I love it so much. Anyway, moving on, inside of the tray, I have put 2 coffee table books, and then I have this decorative piece, which is a giant maple leaf sitting on top. And inside, you'll see I have some coasters, and they are different. This first one here on top, I did basically a DIY. I wanted to check it out. I wanted to make it black and gold, and it came out good. It came out really nice. I think I'll go ahead and do the rest. Let me know if you'd like a video on that. It is not showing too good on camera. I'm not sure why, but it's absolutely stunning in person. Also inside of the tray are these beautiful candle holders that I DIY'd by adding the stands to them. These came from the Dollar Tree. In the center, I have this vase that I had. It used to be some kind of a rose gold or pink, but right before the Christmas holidays, I spray painted it black. And these beautiful picks still have the glitter. Still have to incorporate some of that glitter, guys. Came from a mix of Michael's and William Ashley store. And this is another really old candle stand that I've had for a while that I went ahead and spray painted black as well. Now let's move on to the chair. In keeping with my theme of black, white, and gold, I have added this beautiful black throw onto the sofa. And then I went in with these furry pillows. Yes, I know they're old, they are old school, but I still love them. And it helps to give me that light, airy feeling that I'm looking for in this room. In the center, you'll see this beautiful pillow here that I picked up at HomeSense months ago. I do believe that I shared it with you either in a haul or a space or something, but this is absolutely beautiful, and I just love the way it pops on this white sofa. And on the other end is my other fluffy and airy pillow. On the other side of the room are my 2 armchairs that you saw last year. I got these from Wayfair and I did an unboxing. I can leave that link for you below so you can check out that video. And on it, I just kept the beaded pillows that were on them over the Christmas season. These beautiful pieces. And then I just went in with another pattern black pillow just to add a pop of color to this side of the room. I went ahead and kept my black table, which has a vase, some flowers inside with my beautiful foxtails. And this table is another DIY of mine where I transformed a clock into an actual table. Absolutely beautiful. And then directly underneath that, the second tier, I just have that beautiful star candle holder and candle that I scored at William Ashley at their annual Christmas sale right before we went back on lockdown this year. And on my side tables, you'll see I kept my lamps as well as the peacock. And then I went in and added these star candle holders again that I used over Christmas with two tiny votive candles inside. And guys, under here I have these storage boxes that I DIY'd. I have a video for that as well. I'm not going to keep them there long term, but just like the idea of it being black and white and adding to this room, which is why I have chosen to keep them. And there you have it, guys. This is an overview from the dining room. Like I said, the place feels so light and so airy because the tree has been removed and I put the chairs back in their original positions by the window. But it just feels really light, really airy. And I'm going to keep it this way as my winter look, and I will not change a thing until the springtime. And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed seeing this quick living room refresh after Christmas. Make sure, guys, that you are subscribed to the channel and that your notification bells are on, because I have so much coming in this new year for you, and I would hate for you to miss anything. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you stopping by and checking out my channel. I would love for you to consider joining the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, ChelomieC. Bye-bye.